Today we're in Dead Man's Flats. We're just east of Canmore to show you this spectacular single family home. We're on a quiet cul-de-sac. This is over 4,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, double car garage with some amazing south-facing views. Let's go inside and take a look. As soon as you walk into this house, it just feels really spacious. We've got 9-foot ceilings, an 8-foot front door, and then we've got these beautiful cubbies here on the left-hand side where the kids can hang the coats when they come in from school. And before we show you the rest of this level, we're gonna go straight upstairs to the main level to show you just how impressive that living space is. So true mountain homes that are designed in the Bow Valley and certainly in Dead Man's Flats in Canmore are upside down houses. So as you make your way into the entrance, and we've got the bedrooms on that level, as we come up to this upper floor, it opens up. We've got some West Coast design features with the shed roof, floor to ceiling windows that look out over the south facing mountain views, and then this expansive open plan living space. So we're back in onto green space as we look out over this main level, and you can really feel nature coming into this house. This is a custom built house by Russell & Russell Designs, and they've done a great job making it sort of rustic yet modern feeling at the same time. We've got some beautiful wood beam accents on the ceiling, some wide plank hardwood floors. We've got this beautiful wood wall just behind me. So it kind of feels like a cabin in a modern luxury environment. Complementing this living space and keeping you cozy and warm in the wintertime is this beautiful floor-to-ceiling fireplace with 5-foot gas insert. This kitchen is amazing. It's the chef's dream. We've got quartz countertops, this huge island that easily sits 4 or 5 people. And then we've got your gas range, built-in microwave, walk-in pantry, and it's overlooking the living dining room. So when you're entertaining, you can keep an eye on everybody that's having fun in your house. So we have over 1,500 square feet on this upper level. As I say, we've got this shed roof that gives you some nice vaulted ceilings. And then we also have 2 decks. We've got this first one just off to my right. That's the sun deck. It faces south, looks over the backyard. And then just behind us here off the kitchen and living space, we've got the shaded deck for the afternoon. That's a perfect barbecue deck and an even better deck to put on a hot tub. Just off your kitchen, you've got the primary suite, and what's great is it's your own personal oasis. It's the only bedroom on this upper level, and it's attached to a 5-piece ensuite washroom. So you've got his and hers sinks, a large tiled stand-up shower, as well as a standalone soaker tub. So as we come back down from the main floor, we come back to the entryway level. We've got the entrance just off to my left, and then it opens up into this expansive family room. And then we've got the 3 bedrooms for the kids, all a great size. This bedroom behind me actually has its own 4-piece ensuite washroom. Then we've got the 2 other bedrooms off to my right, as well as a 4-piece washroom. So Dead Man's Flats is about a 3-minute drive from Canmore, just east of Canmore, considered a hamlet of Canmore, but it's actually in the MD of Bighorn, and that is a big difference. So in this house, on the lower level, we have just over 1,300 square feet. It's a fully self-contained suite that is allowed to be Airbnb'd, and that's what sets this house apart from any other home you're gonna view in Canmore. So the outdoor living space in this house is outstanding. We've got this beautiful sun deck, as we mentioned before, and then just below us we've got the backyard. It's got this great fire pit area for hanging out in the evenings with the kids roasting marshmallows, plenty of space for a trampoline, and then you've also got access through a back gate to the green space just off to my left here. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this house or any other property in Canmore, my information is below, and I'd love it if you would click that subscribe button. It really does help us try and grow our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.